To get set up, get into a tabletop with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Relax your neck and draw your navel in. You're going to reach out with the opposite arm and leg and exhale as you push your heel back. Make sure to tighten your glute as much as possible. Try not to lean to one side and place pressure in the hand on the floor. That will help you engage your core. Make sure your eyes are straight down and your neck is relaxed. Keep your spine nice and neutral. Your goal is to not shift from side to side, but keep your spine absolutely stiff. 5 more from here. Exhale, drive the heel back. 1 more each side.